magic feather production. I found recently my good old-fashioned homemade Master Chief helmet. It was made out of a old-fashioned biker's helmet, and I figured, well, Master Chief has a visor, so I made a visor. As you can tell, this is not a gold visor. This is just mesh netting. And I want to know if, because I haven't tried it out in a while, I want to know if it is good enough to bring to airsoft. Do you think? Let's find out. Now we're going to have Master Chief's helmet right there, and we're going to test it out by dual wielding.
We can do wielding pistols! Ah!
Wow. So I went through the video and I did see some that went through right here. You can hardly see it. In fact, it looks like it didn't even go through, but ta-da! Under here there is a couple that went through. Another one went right through. But on the other hand, where I was standing was right here. Right here. See, so I was pretty close. And when you're that close, you normally have to say, you know, bang. So shooting somebody that close is a little dangerous. And they do give you fair warning. You should wear some good old-fashioned protective glasses. But I don't know. I like it. I love it. It looks almost just like John's Halo helmet. And check this out. 117. I did that a long time. Let's try it with this. Because not everybody uses blowbacks. They can use AEGs all the time. You can see the devastation on here. I would hate to get shot by my P90 in the face. Although it did protect this part right here. I like that part because it's very bouncy. So it just reflects the BBs right off. Boing. The pros about this, it's light and it's very hard. And you can spray paint it.
You will ride eternal, shining and chrome.
The inside right here, here's a nice strap that you have to strap around. Ta-da. But there's a problem with that. Every time I put this on, hold on.
Few moments later.
It's choking me very bad. The reason why it's choking me is because this is top heavy and it's going forwards like this, and I can hardly hear through here.
What did he say?
What did who say?
What did you say? What did you both say?
What did she say? What did you
What
say?
did who say?
What did he say?
What did she say?
3:30.
If you want to know what's going on by your eyesight, peripheral vision, and your hearing, then I wouldn't recommend using one of these. So that's all for today. Thanks, and ow, bye.
Groovy.